So there is another debate making the rounds as to which is a greater world record. Usain Bolt's 9.58 seconds run over the 100 meters or Brian Lara's 400 runs not out in a test match innings. Again, the Maverick will cast the deciding vote in the settlement of this argument. Of course, both achievements are phenomenal. It's not easy to run 9.58 and it's not easy to score 400 runs. But think about it. Usain Bolt's explosive run in Berlin in 2009 was mostly explosive power and raw speed, majority of which is innate. Yes, he put in some physical and some mental work in order to execute, but a 100-meter run is basically one explosive burst. 400 runs in a test match innings is a different kind of performance. Batsmanship is a more technically nuanced exercise. Lara's marathon innings at the Antigua Recreation Ground in 2004 was a picture of concentration. He batted with different batting partners, faced a variety of bowlers, and batted over 2 or 3 days on a wearing pitch, enduring 2 or 3 ball changes. That requires great mental fortitude and stamina. Much more overall variables than Bolt sprinting down the track for 9 seconds. So all things considered, in terms of sheer execution, compiling that innings of 400 runs not out carried a far greater degree of difficulty than Bolt's record run of 9.58. And what the two of them, me still right.